Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for every occasion. Today, we're diving into a fantastic item that can elevate your gift-giving experience to the next level. If you're looking for the perfect finishing touch for your presents, look no further than the HSXJJ 6PC's large pull bows. These stunning black gift bows are truly the best choice for presents, and I'm excited to share why. These bows are not only visually appealing, but they also bring a sense of elegance and sophistication to any gift. Made from high-quality PVC plastic, they feature a beautiful shiny finish that catches the light perfectly, making your gift stand out. Each bow measures 6 inches, making them the ideal size for a variety of gifts, from birthday surprises to wedding presents, and even festive holiday gifts. One of the best things about these pull bows is how easy they're to use. When you receive them, they come in a flat package. To create a stunning bow, simply find 2 ribbons, hold one in each hand, and pull. With a little adjustment, you'll have a beautiful, decorative bow ready to adorn your gift. For added security, you can tie a knot at the top, ensuring your bow stays perfectly in place. Imagine wrapping a gift for your loved one, and just as you finish, you add one of these elegant bows on top. Instantly, it transforms a simple present into something extraordinary. Whether it's for Christmas, a wedding, a birthday, or any special occasion, these black bows enhance the aesthetic of your gift, making it look truly special and thoughtful. The versatility of these bows is another standout feature. They're not just for traditional gifts. Use them for flower arrangements, gift baskets, or party decorations. They add a romantic touch to any setting and are perfect for making your events more festive and lively. Now, if you're wondering about the price, these large pull bows come in a pack of 6, and they're priced very affordably. With a price point of around $6.99, they offer great value for anyone looking to add that extra flair to their gifts without breaking the bank. So, whether you're preparing for a birthday bash, a wedding celebration, or simply want to make your holiday gifts extra special, the HSXJJ large pull bows are a must-have. Their elegant design, ease of use, and affordability make them the best black gift bows on the market today. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're interested in these beautiful bows, we'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips that help you make informed decisions. Until next time, happy gifting!